Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Heartopia won't let you log in. So the first fix you can try is to actually click on the repairs section from here on the top right and click on confirm. So this will attempt to clean up update files to fix version mismatch issues. After the cleanup, the game needs to be restarted and update files will be re-downloaded. So you need to click on confirm, and after that a check on the files will happen. So if you have any bug on the files, it will be verified and re-updated. After that you can actually click on play for the game again, and as you see from here it will actually re-download some files, and after that you need to try to log in into the game again and see if the login is now fixed. If it's not fixed with you, you need to try another type of login. So if you're trying to log in with Google, try to log in with Apple ID or Facebook, and that will surely fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.